Nice to meet you, Rose. Run for your life. Sleepy.
Rose!
What?
Rose!
Run.
Pulled his arm off.
Yep. Plastic.
Very clever, nice trick. Who were they then? Students? Is this a student thing or what?
Why would there be students?
I don't know.
Well, you said it. Why students?
Because to get that many people dressed up and being silly, they gotta be students.
That makes sense. Well done.
Thanks.
They're not students.
Whoever they are, when Wilson finds them, he's gonna call the police.
Who's Wilson?
Chief electrician.
Wilson's dead.
That's just not funny, that's it.
Hold on. Mind your eyes.
I've had enough of this now. Who are you then? Who's that lot down there? I said, who are they?
They're made of plastic, living plastic creatures. And they're being controlled by a relay device in the roof, which would be a great big problem if I didn't have this. So, I'm going to go upstairs and blow it up. And I might well die in the process, but don't worry about me, no. You go on. Go on. Go and have your lovely beans on toast. Don't tell anyone about this, because if you do, you'll get them killed. I'm the doctor, by the way. What's your name?
Rose.
Nice to meet you, Rose. Run for your life.
Here we are then. London, Earth, the solar system, isn't it? Jackie, Mickey, blimey, no. Hold on. We're there. What was I going to say? There was something I had to tell you. Something important. What was it? No, hold on. Oh, I know. Merry Christmas.
That's English. Can you hear English?
Yeah, that's English. Definitely English.
I speak only Sycoraxic!
I can hear English. And it's being translated. Which means it's working. Which means...
Did you miss me? Can I have an apple? All I can think about. Apples. I love apples. Maybe I'm having a craving. That's new, never had cravings before. Whoa! Look at that.
Are you okay?
Just had a fall. All the way down there, right to the library. Hell of a climb back up.
You're soaking wet.
I was in the swimming pool.
You said you're in the library.
So was the swimming pool.
Are you a policeman?
Why? Did you call a policeman?
Did you come about the crack of my wall?
What crack?
You alright, mister?
No, I'm fine. It's okay. This is all perfectly normal.
Who are you?
I don't know yet. I'm still cooking. Does it scare you?
No, it just looks a bit weird.
No. The crack in your wall. Does it scare you?
Yes.
Well then, no time to lose. I'm the doctor. Do everything I tell you, don't ask stupid questions, and don't wander off.
Hello? Exit the box and surrender to the glory of the Sontaran Empire.
Shush.
Doctor?
I was being chased by a giant dinosaur, but I think I managed to get the slip. Sleepy.
Sir?
Asphalt, sneezy. Dopey. Grumpy. Oh, you two. The green one. And the not green one. Or it could be the other way around. I mustn't prejudge. Oh, you remember thingy. The not me one. The asking questions one. Names, not my area.
Clara!
Well, it might be Clara, might not be. It's a lottery.
It is Clara!
Well, I'm not ruling it. Oh, big man, shut it! Oh! You've got a dinosaur too! Big woman, sorry.
Doctor, listen to me. You need to calm down.
I'm not flirting, by the way.
I think something's gone wrong.
Wrong? What's gone wrong? Have you regenerated? I remember you. Your handles. You used to be a little robot head, and now you've really let yourself go. Just the frequency.
Sorry?
Your sonic lanterns turn them down. You're giving her a headache.
But who a headache?
My lady friend! Just an expression, don't get any ideas.
How do you know?
Come on, Clara, you know that I speak dinosaur.
He's not Clara. I'm Clara.
Well, you're very similar heights. Maybe you should wear labels. Why are you all doing that? You're all going dark. And what will you stop that?
I don't think we are.
Never mind! Everyone, take 5!
What is it? I've no idea.
A few seconds. Oh yeah, long story. Tell you later. Doors?
Locked shut.
We'll see about that. No Sonic. Empty pockets. Oh, I hate empty pockets.
He's coming back.
What are you? Okay, don't like questions, more the private type. I get that.
Get away from me!
All of you, stay very still.
He's gonna kill us.
He could have done that already.
Dad! Ryan! Stay away!
Oh my God. You three, relax, but stay put. I'll check the rest of the train. That lot of use you two were. Hey!
Hold on there, please, madam. I need you to do as I say. This could be a potential crime
Why are you
scene.
calling me madam?
Because you're a woman.
Am I? Does it suit me?
What?
Oh, yeah. I remember. Sorry, half an hour ago, I was a white-haired Scotsman. When's the next train due?
This is the last one back.
But the doors are locked. How did you both get in?
Driver's window was smashed in.
What's your name?
PC Khan, Hallamshire Police.
Name, not title.
Yasmin Khan. Yaz to my friends. Can I have your name, please?
When I can remember it.
You don't know your own name?
Of course I know it. Just can't remember it. It's right there on the tip of my... What's that?
Tongue?
Tongue! Smart boy. Biology. What did she call you? Ryan?
Yeah, Ryan Sinclair.
Good name. Are you a doctor, Ryan?
No.
Shame. I'm looking for a doctor.
Hold on. Hold on. Let me help.
Thank you very much. Oi! Do you mind? You finished playing games, mister. This stuff's not mine, it's hers. Oh, where's she gone? Rose!
What?
Rose!
What?
Rose!
Coming! Sorry, Mum, I had to put back. Wanted to buy a bag full of eyes.
Mum. And a bag full of eyes.
She's got this business online. You should spend your evenings doing homework, not fiddling about posting things to Dubai. Hold on.
Who are you?
Oh, yes, sorry.
He's not stacked this right.
My name's...
I took one look at him. I said, never trust a man with a goatee. He looked like he'd been stuck in a drain pipe. I said to him, but he was like, I know better. I said, Mum,
There's a plane crashing.
but watch me stack correctly.
I don't think that's a plane. It's a spaceship in trouble.
Mum, look, it's a spaceship.
Yes, there's a spaceship crashing over London right now. You are worse than your great-granddad.
Oh, Grandad.
It's gonna crash.
There you go. Perfectly stacked.
Mum, how do you always manage to miss everything?
Because I've got better things to do. Nice to meet you, skinny man. Oh, word of advice. You can wear a suit that tight up to the age of 35. And no further. Come on, Rosie.
Rose! What? Rose! What? Rose! Oh, my God.
Oh, sorry, mate, that's my daughter over there and my missus.
Good, but I need to get north. That explosion just now, something crashed. Can you get me there?
Oh, sat-nav says they're closing all the roads.
Oh, I know some roads, even taxi drivers don't, trust me. Grandmaster of the knowledge.
That says Grand Mistress.
Oh, catch up. And let's animals eat!
A pram at midnight.
Really?
It's my shopping.
Oh my God, sir, are you all right? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
I'm sorry, I was report. I'm gonna have to report this.
Okay. Name, the doctor. Occupation, not a doctor. Current status, just passing by. Employer, myself. Address, that blue box over there. Now, if you don't mind, I just got snowman, and I would like to go home.
Doctor, what would that be?
Just the doctor. She's gonna say yes.
Who is?
Your girlfriend, when you ask her to marry you on Christmas Day.
How do you know that?
It's my sonic screwdriver just went ping,
That's a screwdriver.
which is sonic. And that precise ping is detecting a 2-carat diamond in your pocket, which says engagement ring, and I'm guessing that she's a she, because 91% of men wouldn't choose a diamond. Plus Christmas Day, it's obvious.
But how do you know she'll say yes?
Because the sales start on Tuesday, and you just couldn't wait. And that is why she loves you. Merry Christmas.
She says yes. She said yes.